Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover this comment. You can see this here, right here. Google Play didn't approve my request. Okay, so hi, I hope that this video will be helpful for you, that I'm going to cover now for you. See, firstly, you have tried through Google Play Store. Okay, so please understand this, that Google Play Store is a different thing, while the platform that we use, suppose be it LinkedIn or WPS, they are different platforms. Google Play Store is just providing us a way to download these platforms, but if we are investing any amount to take the subscription of LinkedIn or WPS, so all this amount is kept by these platform and not by Google Play Store. So if you are asking money from Google Play Store, they'll always say that no, we don't meet these, like our refund policy. We don't have any such refund policy that we will be refunding your amount. What you need to do, you just need to get in touch with this team, this team. If I talk about LinkedIn, so just get in touch with LinkedIn team. If it comes to WPS, just get in touch with WPS team. Or if there is any such platform, if I talk about YouTube or Instagram, Meta subscription, or whatever it is, just get in touch with that particular platform. Okay, so just do this. Here what you have made like a blunder is, you got into Google Play Store and then they said that no, your refund request is not at all meeting our policy. What you need to do, if it is some amount from WPS, so for WPS what you need to do, you need to write a mail to WPS. Make sure that you are using the same mail ID that you used to sign in for WPS account. Okay, so if I am using my mail account, so if for WPS I have signed in with author@gmail.com, so I will be making it very sure before writing a mail to WPS team to get my refund. I will be making it very sure that I will be using the same mail ID to write a mail to them, so that they can relate or they can search in their system what my customer ID or whatever it is. Okay, make sure that your mail ID is same, and then you can write a mail to officesupport@wps.com. it's like OFFICE office SUPPORT support@wps.com. so this is their mail ID, where you need to write hi team, hi team, a few days back or whatever date it is, this much amount got deducted from my account. This subscription is of no use for me. I'm looking forward to get my refund. Please refund my money. This amount is very much useful for me. Or if you are a student, you can also write I'm a student and please refund my money. I would be grateful for you. Okay, then just that you can just write this. Then make sure that you are getting or see you are taking follow-ups. You are, suppose if I am writing a mail today, maybe after 6 or 7 hours I am checking the mail if I have got any reply or not. If I have not got any reply, what I'll do, I'll again copy paste and send the same mail tomorrow again to the team. Mail ID would be the same, officesupport@wps.com, and I will be using the same mail ID, like my WPS mail ID. I will be using the same mail ID. Okay, so yeah, and you need to do the same process till 2 to 4 days. Make sure there are no Sundays, there are no Saturdays, and within 2 to 4 days they will be replying for your mail saying that hey, your refund is approved, we will be processing your refund within 2 to 4 business days. And I'm very much sure, because like even if you have used it for 7 or 8 days, that's completely fine. Just try to get your refund. They will be processing your. I have seen people who have come to me related to their refund issue, and I have helped them, and they have got refund after even 15 to 18 days also. So if you are approaching the team, they'll refund your money for sure. Just that you need to keep on mailing them. It's not like you have just sent them one mail and they are not at all replying, then you have gave up on this. No, you need not to do this. You have to keep on sending them mail, then they will be doing it for sure. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and yeah, I hope you will get your refund. And if you need any help, please feel free to get in touch with me. My mail ID is authorshraddhapande@gmail.com. so yeah, I hope you will get your refund very soon. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and yeah, if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye and take care.